Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Binance NFTs. First, you'll need a verified Binance account. If you don't have one, it's a straightforward process to set it up and complete identity verification. Once your account is ready, ensure it's funded with either cryptocurrency or your local fiat currency. Then, simply navigate to the Binance NFT marketplace, which you can easily find from the main Binance platform. This is your gateway to a world of digital collectibles. Once on the marketplace, you can explore a vast array of NFT collections. Take your time to browse different categories, from art to gaming and collectibles. To find exactly what you're looking for, utilize the powerful filtering options. You can sort by price range, specific artists, or even rarity levels. Always click on an NFT to view its detailed information, including its full history and previous owners, before making a decision. When you find an NFT you wish to acquire, you'll typically have two options: a fixed-price purchase or an auction. For fixed-price items, simply click Buy Now and confirm the transaction. If it's an auction, you'll need to place your bid. Remember to monitor the auction's progress, as you might be outbid. Once you're ready, confirm your purchase, and the NFT will be yours, usually within moments. After a successful purchase, your new NFT will appear in your personal collection within the Binance NFT platform. From here, you have full control over your digital assets. You can choose to hold onto them, or if you decide to sell, you can easily list your NFTs back on the marketplace for other users to purchase. Additionally, you have the option to withdraw your NFTs to an external, compatible cryptocurrency wallet for safekeeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.